Welcome. In front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to check warranty status on this laptop. So in order to check the warranty status, you'll have to find the service tag for your device, and you'll probably be able to find it on the back cover of your laptop. So let me close the lid and show you where to look for it. So somewhere here you're supposed to find the service tag for your laptop, but unfortunately mine is wiped out, and therefore I'm gonna show you how to check your service tag without checking the back cover of your laptop, in case your laptop is just as worn out as mine. So first of all, turn off the laptop by pressing the start button, selecting power options and selecting shutdown. And once your laptop is turned off, what you have to do is press the power button once, then immediately start pressing F2 button repeatedly. So the power button, and then start pressing F2. And at some point the BIOS menu will appear on your screen, and right here you'll find your service tag. So write it down, and when you're done, just click escape and then enter. Once your device boots up into your operational system, open up your web browser and search for DELL warranty check. Open the official DELL website for support services and warranty. Input your service tag right here and click search, and you will find a page like this. And here is the information about your warranty. If you want to see the full information, click device details, basic support, and so here you'll find the start date of your warranty and the end date if your warranty is expired. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.